Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I'm glad to come your way again. This particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on the right platform. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to be sure that you are not trading against the fundamental analysis, against the news. So it is important that you check this website or other Forex news aggregator to be sure you are trading correctly and not against the news. All the indicators used in this particular video, the download link is in my video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe. And thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for watching my video. I would like you to give me a thumb up. Just like the video. This is the only thing I need from you, and thank you for doing that for me. And if you have not done it, kindly like the video. Let's go into today's strategy and let me show you how you can use this particular strategy, all the indicators combined together successfully, to make money trading Forex. I have combined few Forex tools together, or indicators, to come up with this particular strategy, and I will show you all the indicators I use and how to use it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do download the indicator. It is free, and I am going to drop my template also so that you'll be able to have the same chart like mine. And if you want to play with any of the indicator, you are free to do so. Now let us move on. Number one thing you all need to look out for is this particular indicator here, this blue indicator, fractal indicator. This does not repaint, and that's why you see it here. And then we have this scissors indicator, the other indicator here, this yellow like yellow bar and white bar. Then I have this yellow arrow here, this yellow arrow here, this yellow, and this aqua color arrowed indicator. Now I use this particular strategy on 15-minute downward. I can use it on 5 minutes or 15-minute time frame. So the first thing you have to look out for is this blue dot here, this fractal indicator, either for a buy or for a sell. Blue is for buy and red is for sell, and here the yellow arrow here is for sell, and the aqua color is for buy. And number three things you have to look out for is this moving averages, the cross. When this moving average cross, that is white above red, this is a buy signal, and white below red. White above red is a buy signal, and white below the red is a sell signal. And this is just the simple way to use this. And the indicator here that I have on the indicator window is TFF indicator, and these two lines, the blue and the red line, must be above this thick white line for a buy and below it for a sell. Now that you know all the indicators I use for this particular indicator, let us analyze it together and see why I place this particular trade that I'm running right now, and they are running in profit. US tech or US 30, and this is US 100 This is indices actually, and I'm using on US Tech and the US 500, and I'll tell you why I placed this particular trade at this particular point. Now at this particular point here, I have the blue dot here. This blue dot, let me change the color. I have the blue dot at this particular point for a buy, followed by this indicator, but we have scissors here, the same indicator. Let me enlarge it a bit so that we can see it clearly. So this is the first indicator, the blue dot here, fractal indicator, followed by this scissors here for a buy. Then we have a cross at this particular point. These are triple confirmation already, and the last indicator I do check is this TFF indicator here. The two lines, both blue and red, must be above this thick white line for a buy. And here we have every indicator giving us a clear signal for a buy. And as you can see right now, I'm in profit using this particular strategy. It is free, and the download link is in video description. And this is how to use it, and your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low. Here's the previous low. You can put it below this fractal indicator, just few pips below it, your stop loss, and you can write your trend or use any take profit you want. But remember, you are trading in lower time frame. And let's see for the other trade that I placed. This is US Tech. Let's check US 500 cash. And here is the same principle also. We have all the indicators in agreement here. I have the white line here, but the other pair that we check, the US Tech, it was scissors, still the same indicator. We have this cross, white cross above the red. Then these two line cross above this white line for a buy, and this is a good signal for a buy trade. And let's go back a bit and let me show you a sell signal generated by this same indicator. Now here we have a perfect signal generated here. We have the fractal indicator here, this yellow bar, then the moving average, white cross below the red moving average, and here we have the two line cross below the white line, red and blue cross below the thick white line, and this is a good point to place our trade. And this did deliver, and this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, and you can use it on any pair indices. You can use it to trade indices. You can trade gold with this particular strategy. You can trade any forex pairs. You can trade indices, as I said, US 30, US 100, or US Tech, US 500, US 30 cash, and the like. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Yes, it's on US Japanese yen, and this is a good setup also. We have a buy signal here, all the indicators in agreement. Here is a good sell signal generated here, and here is below the thick white line for a sell. We have this indicator here, the yellow arrow here, though I do not use this all the time. If I see it, fine, and if I do not see it, no problem, I will go ahead with my trade. and this is a good confirmation also for a sell, and this will do deliver. I'm not going to take this trade. Today is Friday, and so I'm not going to take any new trade again, and I'm going to close the running trade very soon. This is how to use this particular setup. If there's anything you do not understand, you can go over at the video again, pause the video, and listen to it again until you understand how to use it. In my video description, I drop some name to some brokers that I do use and do not give me issue either to deposit or to withdraw my profit. So this is a good platform. And the other platform I do use, you will see the link to all the forex brokers that I do use. The link are in my video description. You can check the brokers out and register with any of the brokers that you are comfortable with. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. That is all I need from you. The download link is in the video description. What you need to use is to use my template, and you have the same setting like mine. So I'm not going to go over the indicators that I use one by one and the setting. It is better that you download the indicator and download my template. I believe you know where to place your template and your indicators. Just place the indicator in the indicator folder. Once you download it, just click on file, then open data folder if you do not know how to do that. And then go to your MQL4, the indicator, right click on anywhere here and paste the indicator in the indicator window. Then you can either go back and place your template too. You are going to see dot template here. Then you can paste your template here. You might not have all this template in your own on your own broker or your own platform, because these are my templates, different template that I use. So you are going to get one of these template that I'm using right now. Then you can paste it, copy and paste it. Just right click on anywhere and paste it. After you are done, just close this window, and then you can come back to the indicator window, right click on any and refresh if you do not see the indicator. Though you do not need to load the indicator one by one, just use my template, and the template is going to appear here. Just look at your screen closely, or let me circle it. So where I circle, just click on it, then you are going to see the template. Just load the template and you will have it. Or if you do not see it here, just click on the load template and navigate to where you downloaded the template, or where you have it, either on your download folder or you save it somewhere. Just navigate to that point and click on it, then you are going to have it. I do not want to keep this video very long. Make sure you watch the video and give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.